Starting in tabletop position, push that ground away, get some space between your shoulder blades, small little tuck here with your pelvis. For the donkey kicks, we're only bringing up one leg at a time. Arms are staying grounded into the floor. You're just kicking up so that you feel a tightening through this glute and hamstring, and then coming back down. Exhale before you lift. Making sure that that exhale starts before you even move. So make that an intentional 1, then 2. So exhale, then lift. If you need to give yourself a little bit of a pause there, like this. Exhale, then lift. That's what you need to do. Notice how I'm not bringing my leg all the way so high that I start to curve in my lower back. I want to keep this the same, almost like I'm set in concrete, and just the knee is kicking back, keeping a bend in the leg, squeezing through your glute and hamstring.